Welcome back. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar has proposed a paperless assembly session by March 2013. Parrikar says that huge amount of paper is consumed for replies, reports, booklets and the documents during assembly session. He has plans of introducing iPads among the MLAs and legislature staff. CM has also proposed a hostel for MLAs.
जर ऑनरेबल स्पीकर मान्यता दिता आणि सजेस्ट करता जाल्यार एक हॉस्टेल आमदारा खातीर बांदपाची तयारी सरकाराची आसा. एक स्मॉल 1+1 असो फ्लॅट आमदाराक प्रत्येकाक जर तूं अलॉट करीत जाल्यार हांगा काम करता आसतना उशीर जालो म्हणून व्हडलीशी चिंता करची पडची ना. सगळ्या लेजिस्लेचरांक हा गोंयांत ते ना. पेपर आमी जे पळय क्वॉन्टिटी वापरतात सध्या ती पळयत धर तूं जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता आमी जितले परमिशन फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंटान झाडां कापूंक दिवंक ना ताजे दोबरादीन झाडां ह्या पेपरा फाटल्यान वता अशी दिसता. सो कॅन वी गो फॉर विथीन बाय मार्च डेडलायन 2013 ऑन अ पेपरलेस असेंब्ली एक्सेप्ट वेर इट इज एब्सोल्युटली एसेन्शियल एंड दॅट इज पॉसिबल. हांव आयपॅड सगळ्या आमदारांक दिवपाक तयार आसा. सगळ्या सेक्रेटरीएट स्टाफाक आयपॅड दिवपाक तयार आसा. सरकार सगळे प्रश्न आमी लोड करतले. वायफायचेर तुमी तुमचे स्पिकरान रिलीज केले की ऑटोमॅटीक सगळ्या मेंबरांक ते आपल्या आयपॅडचेर वायफायचेर ट्रान्समीट करून मेळटले. सगळी कटकट वतली. एक काम करूं येता की डिसेंबर पर्यंत ताजेर थोडेशे ल्हान 2-4 ट्रेनिंग कॅम्प घेत धर तूं मेंबरांचे आयपॅड कशे फ्लुएंटली वापरप हाजेर. एक खूब जाणांक खबर आसतलें, थोड्यांक खबर ना तांकां शिकोव येता.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar has assured to consider regularization of houses under CRZ within the purview of the law. The question was raised by Nuwe MLA Miki Pacheco demanding regularization of houses coming under the CRZ. Forest and Environment Minister Alina Saldana has formed a committee to study the issue.
जे लोक रावता या आमच्या दर्या समजेन सुमार 850 हाउसेस भितर सुमार डेमोलिशन काडलो हांवें. हे संबंदीत जाग्यार रावपाक लागले शेकडे जाले.
I wish to state on record in this August House that in the event the affected persons who are traditional coastal inhabitants and whose houses or dwelling units have been served demolition order or their dwelling structures constructed post 1991 do not have approval, they can approach and apply to Coastal Zone Management Authority for consideration of regularization under Clause 6D of New CRZ Notification 2011, and Goa Coastal Zone Management Authority will take necessary action in accordance to law and within time frame specified by CRZ notification, that is 120 days of complete submission of application.
म्हाका कॅटेगरिकल एश्युरन्स जाय सगळे स्ट्रक्चर हे सगळे गरीबाक हो सरकार प्रोटेक्ट करतलो म्हण.
तांकां कशें हे करपाचें बिलतायो अशें तांकां फिट करपाचें हें आमी करून कायद्यान भितर बसोवन करून घेवया. बट अल्टिमेटली इट हॅज टू बी एज पर द लॉ ओनली.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
The plight of the hostel at GMC is in a deplorable condition. Students have very less supply of drinking water, lights fail often and food in the mess is too messy. The warden of hostel feels that the services provided in the hostel are good, but bed conditions have resulted in students waiting to finish their studies and move out of the hostel. Is this the way to treat our future doctors? Will GMC answer?
Drinking water shortage, bad food, electricity fluctuations. This is the state of the GMC hostel for 2 years now. Look at this water dispenser here. This purifier is almost in non-working condition. The students here have been facing this for more than a year now. The students approached the warden for improvement in the mess, but the warden wasn't welcoming enough. Look at what the warden says about the bad state of the hostel.
The students who stay over there are MBBS students, okay? They have some dignity. went over there. That place is not worth staying. The food over there, the canteen over there it is the worst I have ever seen. Even government offices have better canteens than this. But the students are getting such bad. Why is this? No water. I just saw no water. There is no security for your hostels over there. Gates, the doors are broken. There are.
This is what you say.
Yeah, this is what I saw.
What is the opinion of the hostel? What is the standard of the hostel?
Yeah.
You please ask Honorable Health Minister.
What is your opinion? What is your opinion? How is it?
Who?
How is the hostel?
No, my opinion is good.
Your opinion?
My opinion is good. That's all. Now, if you come to the charges that we made, 500 rupees for 6 months we charge.
Okay.
500 rupees for 6 months. 500 rupees per day, you don't get a room.
Being the students of this college, that is duty bound that you are left.
It is not duty bound.
Our reporters entered the hostel. It is in deplorable state. When the warden was questioned about the hostel, he accused our reporters of security breach, but he has no answers when asked why a security guard isn't posted at the hostel. Instead, he was busy countering the questions with illogical explanations.
Mr. Pradeep, ये एथिक्स का विरुद्ध है. आप किसी परमिशन के बिना हॉस्टल में जाना.
अगर कोई और ही आके रहने लगा वहाँ पे आपके हॉस्टल में, using your resources over there.
What my resources?
Your rooms. Your security is not asking any ID card over there. We would have been stopped there only if there was a security.
नहीं वो security के बारे में सोचो. नहीं वो सही है. वो बाद में बात करेंगे.
ये आपका जिम्मेदारी है.
अरे मैं सिक्योरिटी
3 buildings to look
up. अरे भैया 3 buildings का है. ओलंपिक्स सिक्योरिटी इज ना भूतो ना भविष्यति. ऐसा सिक्योरिटी नहीं था. ऐसा जगह में घुस के आया है कि यहाँ 3 हॉस्टल्स में आपका जैसा कोई भी घुस सकता है.
There have been instances of robberies of electronic equipments, fuel of vehicles in the hostel too. The students to whom we spoke are just waiting to finish their studies and leave the place. Will the people responsible for this mess be taken to task? A reporter from Bamburi Pratik Param with video journalist Omkar Farari for Prudent Media.
90% of Maya will be liberated by 19 December. This assurance comes from CM Parrikar. Parrikar said that the problem needs to be thoroughly analysed as it involves a lot of legal complications. He assured the Assembly of an appropriate and comprehensive legislation to redress the grievances while making it clear that Mayakas will get a relief before the Liberation Day. He was replying to a calling attention motion raised by Anand Sheth.
Residents of Maya will be conferred the full benefit of all social legislation including Tenancy Act, Munkarial Act, etc. In addition, the Comunidad of Maya, which had become defunct, will be revived and lands of Comunidad would be handed over to this Comunidad for agriculture purposes. Simultaneously, all facilities including cemetery, cremation ground, etc. recreational facilities would be set up in the area. त्यामुळे म्हाका दिसता हो विषय let it be left to the government. I assure that 90% of the people will get a solution by December, January. मागीर उरले 10% गुटका धरता कोण तांकां घेवन या तांचे विशय सोडूं येता. पण मये मुक्त 19 डिसेंबरा पयलीं बहुतांशी 90% करूया. 100% आता 100% करूया.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.